Hi boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how to check and see if your answer or quotient is correct for a division question. So I've gone through and I divided 9,250 by 6 and I got 1,541 with a remainder of 4. Now I want to check and see if my answer is correct before going on. And the way that I do that is that I multiply the answer or quotient by the divisor. When I multiply these two numbers together, I will get this number. I'm going to leave the remainder for now out because it wasn't able to be divided equally, so I will add that in at the end. If there is no remainder, then you just multiply these two numbers together. So let's go ahead and do that, and it's probably going to be a little bit messy, but I'll do my best. So I have 1,541 multiplied by 6. So I set it up with a larger number on top. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry that 2. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus the 2 is 32. Carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus that 3 is 9. Now it's not 9,246 because I need to now add that remainder in. And when I add 4 to 46 here at the end, I will end up with 9,250. And so that means that my answer is correct. If I did not get the answer or the dividend, then I know that then what I did was wrong and somewhere I've made a mistake and I need to go back. Okay, thank you.